I hope you've not forgotten what the Pythagoras theorem is. We've got hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Now in this video we are going to take it a step higher. Now let's look at this example. Find the unknowns in the triangles below. Now we have two unknowns. We've got x and we've got y. Now if you look closely at this triangle, you will discover that there are two triangles. We've got a big triangle and a small triangle. So we've got triangle ABC, which is the smaller triangle, and then we've got triangle ABD, which is the big triangle. But if you look at both triangles, they are right angle triangle. Now I hope you can still remember the criteria for using Pythagoras theorem. Number one, it must be a right angle triangle. Number two, we must have two sides, and we are being told to find the third side. Now let's try to find the unknowns. Now it makes sense to take the smaller triangle first. So we've got this small triangle, triangle ABC. Now if you look at triangle ABC, that is this triangle here. Now it's a right angle triangle, and then we've got two sides, and we are being told to find the third side. So basically if we draw it out, we have something like this. We know this place has 3 centimeters. We know this place has 5 centimeters. Now we are told to find x. Does this make sense? Now let's try to solve this. So we have solution. Now what is the Pythagoras theorem? Hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Now what is the hypotenuse? Remember, the side facing angle 90 is the hypotenuse. That means 5 is the hypotenuse, and then any other side can be either adjacent or opposite. So if we say the angle is here, it means this side is the opposite and this place is the adjacent. So can we slot this into the formula? Equals to 3 square plus x square. 5 square is 25. 5 times 5 equals to 3 square is 3 times 3, 9. Now we collect like terms. 9 goes to meet 25. So we should be having 25 minus 9 equals to x square. I hope you understand this. So 25 minus 9 should give us what? 15 minus 9 is 6. Then we have 1. So 25 minus 9 is 16 equals to x square. Equals to 16. To find x, we find the square root of both sides. So square root of x square equals to square root of 16. Square root of x square is x, because it's like square root cancel square, equals to square root of 16 is 4, because 4 times 4 is 16. So x equals to 4 centimeters. So it then means that this place here equals to 4 centimeters. Do you understand this? Now we need to find y centimeter, so we can as well draw out the big triangle so that we can see it clearly. So we've got the big triangle. Now this part is 3 centimeters. Then for this part we have y centimeter. Now for the base, from here to this place, can you see? So for that length, 4 plus 7. From here to here is 4. And then from here to here is 7. So to get BD, it will be 4 plus 7. I hope you understand. Now 4 plus 7 should give us 11 centimeters. I remember this right angle. So we can use Pythagoras theorem. So Pythagoras theorem, hypotenuse square equals to adjacent square plus opposite square. Now the side facing the right angle is hypotenuse. Then if the angle is here, this place is the opposite, and here is the adjacent. So slot it into the formula. I should be having y square equals to 3 square plus 11 square. Y square equals to 3 square is 3 times 3, 9. 11 square is 11 times 11, that is 121. So y square equals to 9 plus 121 should give us 9 plus 1 is 10, 0 carry 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. So I have 130. But I'm told to find y. So to find y, I find square root of both sides. So we should be having square root of y squared equals to square root of 130. Does this make sense? Now let's rub up this part. So square root of y squared is y, because like square root cancel square, equals to square root of 130 should give us approximately 11.4 centimeters. I hope you understand this. If you do, let's take another example.